This is Currency Count's quote of the day. Number 1, make money. Number 2, use that money to make more money. Number 3, repeat.
What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Currency Counts, where I cover all things money. In today's video, I wanted to share with you a few work from home websites. So if you like setting your own schedule and setting your own pay, you're gonna wanna watch this video. Let's check it out. All right, so let's go to the first one, Guru, and you can find them at guru.com. And with Guru, they have a ton of different job offers, from program and development, design and art, all the way to sales and marketing, and a ton of others. So to start with Guru is pretty easy. You're gonna sign up for free, create your profile, browse all their freelance jobs. If you see something you like, you're gonna submit a quote. If the company accepts your quote, you're gonna fulfill the job. Once that job is complete, you're gonna get paid through PayPal, Payoneer, or through direct deposit. So Guru offers jobs with no experience, like data entry, personal virtual assistant, customer service and account management, to word processing and typing. On these websites, I won't go through every job or tab because we can be here all day. So the second one is Upwork, and you can find them at upwork.com. So with Upwork, it's kind of the same thing as guru.com, to where you create your free profile, browse jobs, submit your quote, complete the work, get paid. And if we look up here at their job tabs, it's kind of identical to guru.com. So I won't get into this website any further. It's kind of similar to guru.com. If you don't find what you like on the first website, jump to the second one. You might find something here. All right, let's jump to the third one here, Fiverr.com. And as a freelancer, Fiverr.com is a great website because unlike Guru or Upwork, Fiverr doesn't require you to submit quotes to potential customers. You create your ad offering your service with your price, and customers looking for that service will find you. And there's so many ways to make money on Fiverr. Check this out here. Look at all these different categories you can choose from, and they continually add to the list of services you can offer. For example, personal stylist, even cooking lessons. So talk about no experience required. Well, I guess you do need experience if you want to offer a personal stylist service or a cooking service, right? Show somebody how to cook. But if you know how to style, if you know how to cook, who's to say you're not? You don't have to have a piece of paper or show proof that you have previous experience doing this. You can just offer your services, show your portfolio, and you're all ready to go. They even offer modeling and acting. So if you're an actor or a model, you just want to throw your services out there, there you go. No experience necessary. Then you can also fall back on graphic design, video animation and editing, and just a ton of other tech jobs. One of the downsides to Fiverr is that you're gonna have heavy competition. There's a lot of people offering the same services. For example, if you offer your service at $60, there's somebody else that might offer that same service at $5. But once you start showing what you can do, build your portfolio, and build your customer base, you can pretty much charge what you want. The next one is Clarity, and you can find them at clarity.fm. Now what Clarity does and how it's different than the previous three that I mentioned is that they give you access to mentors. For example, if you're trying to start a new business, or let's say you're trying to launch an ebook and don't know what to do, right? You've looked online, you've studied it, but you still have a lot of questions. What Clarity does is gives you access to somebody that has experience in that field. And there's a ton of different categories here, from business, technology, sales and marketing, skills and management, all the way down the line. So if you have expertise in one of these different types of fields here, this might be for you. Check this out. This guy right here, get top tier PR media exposure for your company for free. He's offering a service. He's giving you game at $16 a minute. $16 a minute. Can you believe that? How to grow a profitable e-commerce business, $2.50 a minute. So the way it works, let's say I'm looking for this service, right? I'm looking to talk to somebody that has knowledge in one of these different categories here. I pick the guy I want to talk to. I request a call. When I request a call, I'm going to put in 3 different dates that work for me. And then you as a mentor are going to get that notification, and you're going to pick the date out of the 3 dates that works for you. So it's not like I request a call and it's going to call you right then and there. You're in the middle of work, you're in the middle of doing something, you're going to get that call right then and there. No. Once you get that notification, you have 3 different options of when to accept that call. Check this out. $2 a minute, $5 a minute, $2.50 a minute. This other guy, $16 a minute. He's just going all in right here, right? This guy's smoking mirrors right here. He just needs to be on the phone with you for 1 minute to make $16. How about that? Check this guy out right here. In these calls, you can hang out with me and chat about the stock market and economics. I don't provide financial advice of any kind. So this guy is charging you to hang out with him at $5 a minute. How crazy is that? And he actually has 5 stars with 25 reviews. Wow. So you might even see me on here offering my service to hang out for $5 a minute. How about that? So out of all these that I mentioned, the easiest and probably the most profitable is gonna be this one, Clarity.fm. But you do have to be an expert or know what you're talking about. Or you know what, in some cases you don't, like this guy that's offering his service just to hang out. And if you're not an expert, create a post to talk about anything. Hey, let's hang out and talk about life for $10 a minute. Even if you don't get any hits, what's the harm in trying, right? You're trying to work from home, you're trying to get paid, trying to make money. Don't stand still, you just gotta keep moving. I hope this video helped you out. Subscribe to get notified. Check you on the next one.